Hey designers! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe InDesign on your PC or Mac for free, using a completely legal 14-day free trial. Adobe InDesign is a professional layout and design software that allows you to create stunning print and digital publications. With our extended 14-day trial, you'll have plenty of time to explore all its features, not just the standard 7 days most people get. Adobe offers a 1-week trial for individuals. But today, we're selecting the business plan. This plan gives us a full 14-day free trial instead, allowing us more time to explore all the professional layout and design tools without paying a cent. The business plan also provides additional features and support, making it a better choice for those who want to fully experience Adobe InDesign. Please click the link in the description to get started, and let's jump right in. To begin, open your browser and go to Adobe's official website using the link in the description. This will take you directly to the InDesign free trial page, where you'll see the option to start a trial. Adobe provides 2 choices: a 7-day free trial for individuals, but we're selecting the business plan to extend it to 14 days for free. The process is the same, with more time to test all the features. Once you've selected the free trial, you'll need to sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't already have one, don't worry. It only takes a minute to set up with your email. Adobe will also ask for payment details, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial period ends. I recommend setting a reminder on your phone so you don't forget. After setting up your trial, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud app. This app is a platform that allows you to manage and install Adobe's various software, including InDesign. Once you have the Creative Cloud app, you can easily install InDesign and manage your trial period. Once Creative Cloud is installed, open the app and locate Adobe InDesign in the list. Click Install, and let the process run. Depending on your internet speed, the installation may take a few minutes. Once it's done, launch Adobe InDesign, and you will have full access to all its features for 14 days, completely free. And there you have it. You now have Adobe InDesign free for 14 days, giving you plenty of time to explore its professional design tools, create layouts, and test everything it offers. Just cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. Click the link in the description to download your free trial and follow the steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following tutorial.